You know, technically speaking, I'm not walking around the compound. Most of the time I'm walking through the compound. So maybe we need to change the name of the webcast to the Walk Through the Compound webcast, you know? And it begins. There's cuteness. It's happening. It's on the screen. Loving it. Loving it. Hi, baby. ZZ. Z. We have limited time. Limited time, so if you're not going to do anything cute, then I gotta move on. We are limited. We are limited by our time. Raven is inside. Hello all you big cat lovers out there. It's me, Derek, again. Welcome to another super duper fantastic episode of the Walk Around the Compound webcast. I am a little bit pressed. Hi. Hi. Hi, sugar pie. Hello. How are you? Pretty girl. He's a pretty girl. Oh, you know how it goes. It's one of those kind of things where the amount of time that I had just here this weekend was a bit limited. I had to stay a bit later for a work thing, so that means that my time, I guess, at the facility got shut short, or cut short. I don't know, by about 16 hours, something like that. And of course, you know, you gotta spend time with the wife. Gotta make sure you got that relationship thing going. That's important. And we've got the, oh my gosh, we've got a collapsed lion. That's what we've got. We've got a collapsed lion. No, we down. Call a dorbulence. Stat. I know, I'm wearing some pretty sweet cologne, huh? Oh my gosh. Oh, what a stink. What a stink. That was very stinky. That was very stinky. We've got the Furry Fiesta convention that's happening this next weekend, this coming weekend. And normally do different things for them. You know, film kind of like special videos specifically for the convention and for the convention peoples. So I was doing some of that stuff today. Time was limited. Oh, and I was sitting there thinking like, oh, okay, well, it's only going to take so long to film some of the convention stuff. It's only going to take so long. It's not going to take a ridiculous amount of time to film the convention stuff. So I'm doing that mental math. I'm doing the arithmetic in my head, trying to get everything scoped out. Thinking, okay, if I get this done over here and I film this segment for this, and then I do the stuff over here, if so facto, I'll have plenty of time to film casts. And then wouldn't you know it, oh my gosh, there was a horsey. I know, some people have wrenches thrown into... you know, they threw a wrench in the engine. Sometimes people have horses thrown in an engine. That just gets catastrophic. Horsestrophic. Yes. 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 Hi, BB. How are you? You're a good girl. What's up, Malik? All right. Good chat. Yeah? Ooh, oh, so interesting. So interesting. Nope. Don't take a nibble. No nibbles. It's funny, I don't really ever have to worry about that. with like the lions and the tigers. Like they know how to tell the difference. They really do. And people have asked that question often. But I mean, they've asked that question at various times. You know, they'll say like, well, when you have blood on your hands, do you ever worry about putting your hands up on the fence? And it's like, based on my experience, not really. Not really. Most of the cats kind of know how to tell the difference, but that one right there, oh boy, maybe she doesn't. Maybe she is just like, I would like to have some of those blood-coated fingers, please. Hold on 1 second. Bobby. Bobby. Oh my gosh, you hold on too. No, you hold on too. Bobby. Oh. Ren. Melissa says hi. Melissa, she says hi. She does. She says hi. Yeah. I believe that she says hi back. Hi, Yano. Yano. So I'm not going to be doing a fancy cast. Okay, so I'm not going to do a fancy cast this week, but I'm going to try to put something else up for the Patreon people. Hi. Hello. Actually, maybe what I can do is put together some of the stuff I was shooting for the furry people. Put it up on the old Patreon. Possibly some other stuff. Who knows? I'm not going to sit there make any commitments. Oh, because when you make commitments, you got to follow through with them, and that sucks. Don't you hate it when you say when you're full of confidence in one point, you know, maybe you got a lot of sleep, your electrolytes are good, you've been taking potassium, and then you're feeling confident. You know what? I can seize this day. I can seize many days. And people say like, hey, I've got a thing that I need to have done. And then you'd be like, I'm going to be there to do the thing for you. Fast forward to when you got to actually do the thing. And your sleep debt is just crazy. You haven't been getting enough of that stuff. Your nutrition's been down. You're cranky. You know, your REM cycles are off. You've been forgetting your potassium. You've been forgetting your potassium, Mika. So you're just in a state. You're like butter that has been spread over too much bread. But you gotta do the thing. And then you're just sitting there just like, crap. Crap. Crap-covered toast. Crap-covered toast. Why did I commit to that thing? I gotta power through. Smell. Yee. 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 Internet stuff. See, I remembered. It's not so much when you open the gate, it's when you close it, it gets squeaky. The gate gets squeaky when you close it. Open it, fine. Close it, whew. Not so fine. Not so fine, I say to you. But it's springtime. The grass is green. Things are looking nice. Oh, hello. Hello. Gosh, I think it got up to be like 80 degrees today, something like that. Oh, it's heavenly. It's heavenly, which is about, oh, I guess for you European types, that'd be something like 28, 29 degrees C. 28, 29 C. Yeah, say. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi, miss. Hi, meet Peter. Who's a pretty girl? Who's a pretty girl? Who is a pretty girl? You're a pretty girl. You're a pretty girl. Yeah. All right. No one to hold him, no one to fold him. No one to walk away before the Melita goes cray-cray. Oh my gosh, the pit boss. Oh! Oh, she's helped. She wants to throw down some more markers. Oh, the house always wins. Hello. 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 Heidi's over there mowing. She's mowing. Arch. Mita, Pita. Oh my gosh. Mita. Mita. Malita. Well, and I guess I should say that maybe, and this is a big maybe, and I shouldn't even talk about this. I should actually just have, this is the problem with me, I should just have the thought in my head, and then if I do it, then I do it, and then I show people the thing, and they're like, oh my gosh, appreciate it, thank you so much. I shouldn't even say, because I'm saying, like, I think I'll be here, because the convention goes from Friday to Sunday, so I'm actually going to be taking a couple of days off, so I think I'll be here on that Thursday, or this coming Thursday. Yeah. Yeah. Which is why I was going to take that time to at least film the Thursday webcast. Day of! Oh, a rare day of webcast. But then I could also try to see if I could fit in a fancy cast. But just a day late. Normally fancy casts go up on Wednesdays. Normally they go up on the Wednesdays. Choo-choo. Hi, Choo-choo. He gets a little bit upset. He gets a little bit upset when tours are around. Yeah. He kind of yells. He kind of gets a little bit grumpy and yells at people when there's kind of large tour groups. He gets a little weird. Potato. You really don't have to come over. Look, like I said, I have limited time for this webcast, so I don't want to waste it on just, you know, like a tiki. You understand, right? Snuffle once if you understand. Thank you. You understand. See? He gets it. He gets it. Hey, snuffling. What? 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 I have to be able to, like, I have to allocate my time. I have to allocate my time. I have to Alberticate. Unless, of course, he's going to do something cute, which he might. Oh, gosh darn it, Ezzy. What are you doing? Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Ezzy. You're not making this easy. I've got other cats that I would like to be able to include into the cast. Alright? Ezzy, there's other cats besides you. You're aware of this, right? You're aware of this as a concept, as a fundamental principle? Nothing. He's got nothing to say. What? 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 Get a job. Get a job. Yeah. No, professional snuffler is not a job. It's just not. No one wants that, especially one from you. No one's going to pay you to, like, come to their house and just snuffle. No, they wouldn't. I don't care what the comments say. They shouldn't be filling your head with such falseness. Okay, not you two. All right. Not you two. Okay, all of you people in the comment section, like telling the BBs that like they're good and they can do stuff and they can achieve anything that they put their mind to. Like, you really are elevating these boys' expectations to like an unreasonable level. Let's tone it down, okay? Please don't go into the comments and tell the Tiggies that they can like do stuff or they can like achieve things if they put their mind to it, because let's face it, they're Tiggies. We've got to lower our expectations. That's just how it works. Now, if you're talking about the BBs, of course, they would be able to just, you don't even have to tell them, like, hey, you can do awesome things. They're just like, yeah, we know. Like, we already know that we can. You don't have to convince them of that. Boomer and Slade, they are the types that would need participation trophies. Like, they would be legitimately mad, like, I didn't get my participation trophy. And then they'd be sulky and sad. And be like, all right, let's get some construction paper and write, you did it. And then cut it into the shape of a star or a ribbon or something like that and give it to them, and they'll be like, yay, yay. Yep, being Team Tiggies is basically the participation trophy of the Pride. Participation trophy of Pride fandom. That's the, you were there. Good job. Being Team BBs though, that's like the Stanley Cup, you know, like the NBA Final Trophy, the Lombardi Trophy, the FIFA Cup of Beans, whatever they do, I don't know. All rolled into one. You're just winning. You're just winning so much you're gonna get tired of winning. Hashtag winning. Stinky face, 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 stinky face. Yeah. Yeah. Love it. Love it. Love it. I do. Are you gonna yell at me or are you gonna be nice? Are you gonna be nice to me? Sometimes you have to. Look at you. Your ears are a little bit down. There's moments where it seems like we're gonna have like a good moment, and we're gonna get along, and then you do stuff like that, and then you do stuff like that. What is up, Kiara? Jeez, 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 Louise, Kiara, jeez. Tude. Hi, Nadal. Hi. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. How are you? What do you know? Munch? Stink snuffles. I love stink snuffles. Seems like more cats are doing them now. It seems like more cats are doing them these days. Diwali started something. Diwali started the trend. Oh, now we're snuffling. Now we're snuffling. Okay, I get it. Cool. That's great. Yeah. Oh, jeez. Jeez. I need like a garden shovel now. One of those little handheld trowels for my pants. Hi. Oh, dead end. But if you come around this way, we can meet up over here. What do you say about that? You're so smart. You're so smart. Hi. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. That. You guys didn't see that. Don't even know how to pull pins out of gates, huh, Derek? How long have you been working here? Maybe we need to reevaluate your credentials. Raw pants. Raw pants. Oh. Ra is the king of the stump. Zuby might be the prince of the leaves, but Ra is the king of the stump. Aren't you? You're very regal. Look at your stink. So many stinky faces. I love it. I love it. So many stink faces. That's the best. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you much. Huh? Poops. Do. We're gonna go over and we're gonna see Zoobs. We're gonna see Zoobs. Because we should. Hi. Hello. Hello. I see you, Rod. I see you. I see you. Give you love. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hi, Zoobs. Hi, Zoobs. He's a good boy. Stink. Are you making stink face? Zoobs. 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 Zoobie. Zoobie lobes. Okay. I gotta go. Oh, it's the time of year where there's poofy clouds. It's poofy cloud time. Sort of cumuliform clouds. Time of the year where cumulative forming. Whoa. Barks. It's the result of unstable air masses. Yada, blah, blah, blah. They look pretty, but if they get too big, they'll rearrange your neighborhood. No, come over here. Paulo. Paulo. Mr. Paulo. Oh, it would be really great to end this webcast on you if you were to come over this way. Hi. Paulo. Come here, bud. He's got chicken. He says, I have chicken over here. It's more interesting than you. And I'm going to take it up here where you can't have it. All right. Lackey's in there somewhere. He actually might be up into that box. They might be up there together. I'm not going to go bother him. Not when there's food up there. Anyway, thanks for watching this episode of the Walk Around the Compound webcast. Hashtag Dorbus Award in the comment section below. Like and subscribe for all your big cat goodness. If you want to know more about this facility, you can always go to carerescuetexas.com for more information, and I will see you next time. All right. Bye-bye.